We will start our server. Oh, some error is there. I don't know what is the error. The annotation is missing. Yes, as usual. Cart service companies check out truck. I don't know, sometimes this error is coming. I think so. Once again, I think now it will work. Yes, it's working. I don't know what's the difference between this and that. Okay, no problem. Yeah, so we will open our Postman. Postman is opening. Yeah, so we will check it out. Okay, so our authentication token is expired, so we will log in now here. JSON. So I will just copy the token. I will paste here. Just want to check whether do I have any existing cart or not. So if it is there, I can directly start my checkout process. That's the reason. Yes, he has two items in his cart. So what I can do is the price is 9,150. So the price is 9,150. So what I'm going to do is I will just copy this request here. I will name as an checkout cart. Okay, so the endpoint URL will be so order API order. It has to be API order. Checkout order. So I will restart the server because I have changed the endpoint URL here. So I will change the URL here. So I will what are the requests for this method? User ID, total price, payment type, delivery address. So user ID is there, total price. I think we will copy this thing and I will so I will remove this thing. Delivery address is here. So payment type will be I will cash on delivery, address will be test address. Okay, so I will first I will check what will happen. Sometimes just giving some wrong amount. Access is needed, I think so. Copy. Record fields are missing. I don't know what is the fields are missing. User is there, total price is there, payment type is there, delivery address is also there. Check out order that's coming here. Three, four, field six builder. Is there any spelling mistake? Okay, we will check. I'm just restarting the server and just adding the trace log here. I'm just giving the request again. I think I have I think it should not come like this here, correct? This code has to come inside the else loop because automatically it will throw the exception. So I think this has to be something rechanged. Okay, I will change now later. Some error is coming, I don't know. We'll restart now. Server restarted. I'll give the request now. Total amount means such. Yeah, I got the error as total amount. So that amount will be string. Oh my god, we got an error in the SQL exception. Yes, it has to come. Of course, how come this code will work in the first time itself? 37. So what it is asking, where is this thing? Yeah, it's working, everything goes well. The problem is parameter value did my acceptable type long string. Some parameter exception problem. Okay, so I think we have to go to the card service IMPL. Yes, I think the user ID is the problem. Maybe here, yeah, in the database I would have created as a long using integer. Let me change this thing and we will check it out. If it's working, we will have this thing. By the way, it doesn't have the God, user ID. User ID quantity. Okay, I will restart the server now. Some error while doing this process. So it's inserted. I don't know when it is inserted. I think, yeah, just now. I'll just remove this thing. So it is working well, but I don't know from where the problem is. Does it has any unique key or something? Same error value was already associated with the session. The error is we didn't mention here, it's an auto increment. The ID is generation identity. That means whenever we are inserting multiple record, so we have to mention this thing. So moreover, I have changed one more thing here. The thing it is when user is having one more items, it has to be batch insert. That means it has to be insert in the multi-level insert. So what I'm gonna do is instead of getting everything, I will get everything in collections. I will insert here. So what I will clear this code. So don't get confused. I think so. Once again, yes, I will. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is here I will just create a hash map collection here. I will just create a hash map. Sorry, not hash map, in the list with the object of checkout cart. This will be sent to here. So here, so temp, so cart service. So meanwhile, we have to change this thing in interface also. Yes, it's working well. So yes, so I will check here if temp dot size should be greater than 0. Otherwise, empty. So the array should not be empty. So here from the first array I'm just why it's not coming. Yes, I have to get this thing. For getting this user ID, I'm just so here I am getting user ID. Yes, this will send all the checkout card from this here. So I will check here everything. Yes, adding temporary card. So I will just remove. Save product person. So okay. So once the cart has been successfully sent, that means once the checkout cart is completed, we need to remove the add to cart, right? So once all the checkout process is completed, that means once the payment is completed, we need to remove everything from the add to cart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just removing everything from the add to cart. So add cart. So here I think already I have removed cart by user ID is there. So this will remove based on cart ID, but what I'm going to, I need to remove everything. Remove all cart by user ID. So this has to be this thing. Add cart remove. I think I need to create one more method here. So this method is based on two where conditions, cart ID and user ID. So now we need only with user ID. So I'm just removing cart ID. Delete cart by all cart by user ID. Correct. So why it is showing up. I think here I will send null. So this method has to be called from here. So once all the process is completed, I think we should create one global variable for storing this user ID. So this removal everything has been done successfully. So here get alt by id user id should not be empty. Get alt checkout by id. So yes, everything has been done successfully. Yes, okay, so what we can do is we will check it now. I will open my database. I will just remove everything from the checkout code. So I delete everything from this checkout cart table, so no data is there. In the add to cart I have around 2 items for each user, so I'm just opening my and meanwhile I will restart my server also. Meanwhile I am restarting. Oh my god, it has some error, I don't know. Got it. So I think here the error. Yes, the server has started successfully. So I just close this thing and I will first check out get caught by user. So I will check how many. Yes, so the user is I think one for the first user. So for the user ID 1, he has two items in his cart. So I have to go. So this thing. So while doing checkout process, so this is the checkout this thing. So here I need to use user ID, total price, pay type, delivery address. So add to cart. So the total price is 9,150. So the total price is 9,150. So instead I will give some other give number. It will show some a total amount is mismatch. It is working fine. So I'm just giving another 150. Yes, order placed successfully. So if I go to database in the checkout cart table, yeah, two orders is there. By the way, in add to cart, yes. So our e-commerce website in Spring Boot has been completed. So the thing it is, yeah, so almost over. So now we need to integrate with our Angular application. So add to cart and checkout cart is completed. So yes, yeah, so our checkout cart has been completed. So the thing it is, now we are going to integrate with our Angular application. Okay, so in the next video, from the next video we will start working on our Angular application. Meanwhile, I think while working on Angular, this means Angular applications, we have to create some other basic APIs, I think so, for something like get category, get product by ID, something like that. So integrating with our Angular application, we will do that. Okay, thank you guys. So if you have anything regarding this, if you have any doubts or something like that, please post it in comments. Please share with your friends. Please subscribe. Thank you, Ananda.